you, Sri. Thank you. I'll just start video as well. And welcome to H2OLive. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. And it's truly an honor to be on this journey with H2O in partnership for democratizing machine learning. And what I brought quickly is actually ties very well to in this journey to put AI into the hands of every customer. And then as actually Samir mentioned that around 2017, we were pretty good at putting things together. Customers started to become pretty good at putting things together. So science leaders then actually made machine learning applicable for product managers who built into their products. But then we see an evolution that is unfolding with first in this current wave, vertical leaders wanting to consume bespoke, tailored applications. And also we see another wave that actually line of business leaders such as CFO automation, CMO automation, wanting to consume AI applications. So that's why we are particularly excited to be in partnership with H2O, in which AWS simplifies the deploying, the managing, and connecting the data to the H2O AI hybrid cloud. So using Kubernetes on AWS is really taking off, making the operation and the innovation in the machine learning lifecycle, being able to connect to our wonderful partners, Snowflake as well, which we co-build a lot together as well. And then with AWS's data lake and lake house architecture, which I will expand a bit on how can customers build a modern data architecture that they can tap into with H2O, or as well as ADX, the AWS data exchange, where if they would need, we saw various examples where they would need additional accuracy, and then they can just reach out and enrich the data on which they can train their models. And so with this, and like what happened in the past is that, especially in the past years, customers got exposed to an unseen and unforeseen amount of data, and they sit mostly in different silos. And then those silos came with various problems, that they were unavailable, the authorization problems, or they were not necessarily at the right price performance level. And so for that, customers really wanted to have a ability to use the right tool, whether it be log analytics, or whether it be documents, or whether it be draft data, and then to move data between them, as we call them at the periphery, or to move them from the periphery into the data lake, or from the data lake outside to these. And that's a modern architecture that we call the lakehouse architecture. So in the lakehouse architecture, customers build scalable data lakes with using these purpose-built data services with seamless data movement and unified governance at the right performance, price performance ratio. And so with this ability, the machine learning capabilities of H2O are tapping into these established methodologies and infrastructures, manifesting the H2O and the AWS partnership with the fast and simple implementation using managed services, either with the data or even under the hood, using Kubernetes and the entire AWS service suite. And also the third piece is that there's a tremendous synergy in the additional partner-to-partner capabilities. So as for example, as AI apps, as I've mentioned, become more relevant for line of businesses, which are like requiring automation, then connecting the partners to partners in AWS, more than 100,000 partners, like from RPA or intelligent process automation partners with H2O, or the system integrators bringing in additional apps in the app store. The opportunity is endless to give now really practical, useful, rich, and powerful solutions to the increasingly diverse customer needs around machine learning. So with that, we're really excited about onboarding using more of H2OLive, H2O3, driverless AI, and I'm happy to answer any of the questions in the chat panel discussion with my peers. Thank you.